think boating is the great American sport for 1968? Try this. Pontiac announces the great American sport for 1968. Wide tracking.
Let you and me go wide tracking, near and far.
What's wide tracking? It's the difference between plain, ordinary driving and driving a car like this new 1968 Pontiac Firebird. Wide tracking is the way the 68 Firebird handles, corners, and maneuvers with a new improved ride you won't believe until you try it. And there are 5 Firebirds to choose from, all magnificent. If you think you're ready for wide tracking, the great American sport, see your Pontiac dealer. Or don't.
Around the campfire, the Dodge boys sat, swapping stories of this and that, when some ancient brains who were tall and lean suddenly disrupted this tranquil scene. Things were looking awful bad when an engine said, "Now don't be mad. Big Chief ill and we need your help. Medicine Man, he can only yell. Yell!"
He's not sick, he's got Dodge fever. And we've got just the cure.
And there's no better cure than a 68 Dodge Charger with tomorrow's look today. Hideaway headlights, convenient side pockets, and an aircraft-type dash. And remember, Charger's price is lower than ever, thanks to those good guys.
I was feeling mighty sick and pale-face medicine did the trick. But look at how Dodge fever spread. Now Medicine Man out of his head.
Not surprising. Dodge fever is a-spreading. There's no escaping that.
So visit those great Dodge boys. They're the good guys in white hats.
Harry? I just dreamed we bought a 68 Youngmobile from Oldsmobile.
You know, I just dreamed we bought a 68 Youngmobile from Oldsmobile.
The styling, the lines, so fresh, so young.
That classic design, good taste, strictly Oldsmobile.
So young inside, too. Young ideas everywhere you look.
The room, the comfort, the quality. Oldsmobile all the way.
The way it performs, so young.
A new generation of rocket engines runs better, saves gas.
In such a young spirit.
Class. Oldsmobile's got real class.
The Youngmobiles.
From Oldsmobile.
See the 68 Youngmobiles from Oldsmobile at your Oldsmobile dealers.
Riviera by Buick. A great and rare machine that a woman can admire and enjoy to the fullest, but only a man can really understand. Find a road yourself and discover adventure is a car called Riviera.
Announcing your next car, the great new Chrysler.
Your next car is here.
Your next car can surround you with a curved new fuselage design where body and frame are one.
Your next car.
Your next car can be a quiet unity of glass and steel with a soaring symmetry of motion. Your next car can be an extension of your own exhilaration of movement. Your next car is here at a price you can afford.
Chrysler, your next car is Chrysler.
The great new Chrysler for 1969.